The Malayan porcupine, identifiable by its formidable quills, slowly forages through the dense undergrowth.
We have a clear view now. Subject appears healthy. Zooming in for detail.
I'm seeing healthy skin here, Elizabeth. Follicles are strong. Note the density on the dorsal side.
Got it. Density noted.
Secure the clamps now.
Locking sequence initiated. All green. Alpha.
Look at the pliability here.
Yes, the die has taken beautifully. It passes inspection.
Adjust the shoulder inlay by 10 millimeters. The drape needs to follow the spine contour.
Confirmed. The iridescent finish is holding up well.
The alignment is spot on.
And the seams are incredibly strong. It matches the design perfectly.
craftsmanship is exceptional.
It is absolutely perfect.
Pair matching and symmetry are verified. Surface finishing is approved. Luxury footwear readiness stage.
Porcupine leather wall art panels are mounted onto rigid backing boards. Adhesive layers are applied evenly across surfaces.
The alignment is spot on. Surface quality is flawless. Approved for premium.
Porcupine leather cushion covers are stitched on industrial machines. Hidden seams are formed for a clean finish.
Let's verify the count for the porcupine shipment.
Looks correct according to the manifest scan.
A little more to the left. Okay, drop it right there. Got the strap. Secure on this side.
20 boxes of the new porcupine runners.
Got it. Everything looks clean and intact.
Look at how the light catches this section here.
Remarkable craftsmanship. It's quite striking.
How does that feel now, sir? Is the arch support comfortable?
Much better, thank you. The porcupine leather is incredibly supple, and this stitching is all done by hand.
It's absolutely beautiful. Does it come in any other colors?
Here is your purchase, sir. Thank you for visiting us.
It's lovely. Thank you so much.
I absolutely adore this jacket.
Tanya.
It looks incredible on you. We should come back next week.